It is a milestone that can stir up different feelings for many parents. Handing over the car keys to teen drivers is the ultimate gesture of freedom, and it's an exciting time, but it comes with many worries. Are they prepared? Will they make the right decisions? Do they have enough experience behind the wheel? The CDC reports that motor vehicle crashes are the leading cause of death for U.S. teens. This pain was felt especially hard in Tazewell County, Illinois, when in 2006, 15 teen lives were lost in 15 consecutive months. This statistic rocked the community and begged the question.
Basically, we were asking ourselves what was going on and what we could do to change the trend.
We were wanting to know if there is something that we could be doing, as in more, enforcement, or are we missing something, with the teenagers?
Sheriff Deputies John Schallenberger and Chuck Litton were on the scene of many of the accidents. Both men can vividly remember how disturbing the experience was for them.
Most of these calls would come in unknown injuries. And then first thing that went through a lot of people's minds was, is this another teenager?
Yeah, you dread it. You'd get a 1050 call and you would just dread going to it. It's sadness. Sometimes the parents would show up on scene. You'd have to tell the parent that their child's dead. They're crying, friends are there crying. It's just total grief, and you feel that.
Desperate to find a solution, Tazewell County created a task force that was successful in pinpointing where and why the majority of these fatal crashes were occurring.
An experience, kids are distracted, they're texting, they're using their cell phones. Sometimes, although it's not as much as you think, alcohol is involved, impaired driving. But also another big problem is they don't wear their safety belts. Their chances of surviving a serious crash are 40% better if they have it on. And they have that no fear. They don't think that anything will ever happen to them. And that's probably even more of a problem than the others.
Director of Traffic Safety for the Illinois Department of Transportation, Michael Stout worked tirelessly to organize and implement a program that would educate teens on safe and educated driving. In 2006, the Operation Teen Safe Driving program was introduced to Tazewell County. The number of fatalities dropped so low that the program quickly became a statewide initiative.
In 2006, Illinois had 151 teens killed on its road. 2007, 155. 2007 is the first year we went statewide with this program. The next year, 2008, it fell to 93, which was a 40% reduction. And then this year so far, we're seeing another 10% reduction. So fatalities among teens in Illinois has almost been cut in half since this program started.
The level we're at now, we're on our third year of the grant, and it's been a very interesting ride, I guess you could say, because the kids have learned a lot, they've grown, they've decided, how do we make it better? How do we get one step further? The kids are very adamant about being proactive instead of reactive. Really haven't had a problem with drunk driving and those kinds of things in our community, but what we have seen is that if we came out with a program that would say, look, we like what you're doing, let's keep it up, let's get a little bit better, let's do more things and make a big deal out of it, then the kids seem to really respond to it.
For many teenagers, advanced education on safe driving came too late. But for the thousands who are new to our roadways every year, this level of awareness is invaluable. Many of them can now turn a new corner in their lives knowing that their peers didn't die in vain.